Hello, my name is Bob. Welcome to the Excel Math channel. Today we're going to solve a integration problem, which is to integrate cosine 2x sine x dx. This is a problem that we seen from the integration B video in which happens in 2006. All right, and we are going to solve this integration. All right. So first thing we do is that we need to convert this cosine 2x into sine by using the trigo identity that cosine 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square x. All right. So first thing, we change cosine 2x to 1 minus 2 sine x, and then we have the integral of 1 minus 2 sine square x sine x dx. And then we expand the equation, so we have integral of sine x minus 2 sine cube x dx. Okay, so we split this integral out into two integration terms following this particular properties of the integral. Integral of a plus b bracket dx is equivalent to integral of a dx plus integral of b dx. All right, then we split this integral out into two different integral terms. So it's integration of sine x dx minus away the integral of we put the constant 2 out of the integral sign, so there will be 2 integral sine cube x dx. Okay, then we are going to evaluate the integral. The first integral, it's not difficult to evaluate. So the first integral is just basically equals to negative cosine x plus c. While the second integral itself, we need to do something. All right. So for the second integral, we split this sine qx out into sine square x sine x dx, and then we make use of the property that the trigo identity property that 1 minus cosine square x is equals to sine square x. Okay, so I try to keep the yellow portion as the one that is done, while the white portion is the one that we have not done yet. So we convert the sine square x into 1 minus cosine square x sine x dx. Okay, and then we're going to work out this integral. Okay, this integral component. So how do we work out? Basically, we perform U substitution. All right, so performing U substitution. So sometimes when we perform U substitution, we will look at what is the term that we want to substitute my du into. So in this case, the term that I want to substitute my du into is actually this term, right? Something to do with sine x dx. So I got to start from letting, u be equals to cosine x so that I can get the derivative, okay, to be negative sine x, which is this one, and then we manipulate it. Du is equals to negative sine x dx, and from here is how we can substitute back into the integration equation. All right, okay, so now we do the substitution and back into this integral. We will have And I'm going to write down here. So this will be the first part we do not need to touch, while the second part is just 2 integration of 1 minus cosine square x. So we sub in u equals to cosine x, so that will be 1 minus u square. Okay, so the difference between here and here is the negative sign, so we have to take note, all right, of the negative sign. So this means that this is negative du is equals to sine x dx. Okay, so when we sub in itself, so that will be negative du. We bring out this minus sign out into the integral, so 2 multiply 2 negative makes up a positive. So this will be a plus 2 integral of 1 minus u squared du. Okay, and then I will just work out the integration. So the integration would just be 2 u minus u cubed over 3 plus c. Okay, so first thing, we can combine the two c's together. We call it c star. Okay, it's just a constant, but you do not know what the constant is. And then this is negative cosine x, correct? Okay, so plus 2. Now we sub back u equals to cosine x equals into the equation. We have cosine x minus cosine x, the whole thing cubed over 3 plus c. Okay, we take out the bracket by expanding, and then you get 2 cosine x here minus 2/3 cosine cube x plus c. It's there's this property, cosine x cube is equals to cosine cube x. All right, that's valid. Okay, and last but not least, this we can compute that is just cosine x minus 2/3 cosine cube x plus c, and that is the final answer to this integral, okay, of cosine 2x sine x. So the cosine 2x sine x integral is actually equals to cosine x minus 2/3 cosine cube x plus c. All right, so that's it from me. If you like this integration video, do press the like button, and if you guys have any integration problems in which you want me to solve, please comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.